Hi everyone. In the last Stripe to Bubble integration series, I have talked how can you integrate the Stripe using an API into the Bubble. But after that, I got a lot of queries on email, even the comment. They find it pretty hard to integrate it. So I partner with the Pricewell, and I will show you how can you easily connect your Stripe with the Bubble. It's pretty smooth. Let me just show you. Okay, the first thing is you just create an account on the pricewell.io. I already done it, and after that, you just simply go to pricewell.io. This landing page, you just click on the sign up, and it will lead to you. You need to also connect your Stripe account. It is fairly simple. Once you connect your Stripe account, you come on this something like that. Now you will feel like, what next? So what we are going to do is we already have one landing page where we are going to show the pricing, like different plans of the Stripe, and then user can buy them, and we will store information into our Bubble app. So let's start. So this is the landing page we have. So let's suppose we want to put the pricing section in between this testimonial and the address. So what we need to do is go to your Bubble app, click on plugin, click on add pricing, simply search Pricewell, click on install. Here you need a API key. So when you sign up here on the Pricewell, go to simply click on these three dots and click on API key. You will get your API key. You simply copy the API key, not company ID. You don't need it. Copy and paste it here. Perfect. Now we will going to create a plans basically. So first you need to create a plan in your Stripe. So simply log in into the Stripe. So create a subscription plan or one-time payment plan product, whatever you want to sell it. Simply click on this add product and create the product. And I'm just doing in the test mode. You can do in production, but I think it's best to first test in the test mode and then move forward. So first we are going to create a plan. I already have plan, these three plan. Now I will go back to my Pricewell, create a pricing page. So simply click on this, create a new pricing page. Select the plan that you want to offer. So let me choose these two plan, one this and these two. So, and you can also customize all these feature, which plan have what feature and all this. So just click on this next. Now you will simply say, do you require any billing address or not? Depend upon your requirement, configure it properly. Just click on, if you want to embed it, if you want to add the free trial, everything you can control from here. We don't need it, we simply say next. And in the paid plan, so if you see, this is the first plan and this is the second plan. So you just choose it. And let me say, this is the feature. I'm just adding a demo. This is annual plan. This is a monthly one, monthly plan. You got 20 credits, free renew, something like that. You can simply add your whatever the feature list you have, and for the another, do the same for 200 credit per annum, something like that, and say okay. So this is we have already done, I think, and simply click on next. Now you can customize the final checkout page. I will just add my company name, Nocode Talks, PVT Limited. Basically all these configuration you can choose based on if you want to pick your company color, so you can pick it like that, or if you want to add anything else, so you can do that too. Simply click on next. That's it. Now you will see you got some HTML code to paste it, but we are integrating into the Bubble, so we don't need to copy paste that. Simply click on this bubble and come here for integration. Click on this bubble integration and add your bubble app URL. So what is my bubble app URL? So if I simply do the preview, this is my bubble app URL. Paste it here. Now the bubble API key. So this bubble API key basically means your bubble app authentication key. So you will go setting, go to API and enable this enable data API and also generate this API token. I already generated it, so I simply copy paste it here. Okay, so yeah, we are just using a subscription. If you want to add anything else, so you can also do. So simply say save. Now your bubble side of thing is done. Now you need to do the things at your bubble app. So what you need to do, simply home page, search for pricing table. I just saw it. Click it and drag it wherever you just want to build it. Where it gone? Oh, it come here. Just move it. You just want to. Yes, this is where we just uncheck that, put that hide, and here we just pass the pricing page ID. How we will go to the Pricewell, and you need to click on configure. Sorry, not configure. Go to pricing page. Click on this copy page ID thing. Paste it here. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do. If you just click on preview. Okay, if you see here, your pricing is added. You can customize it according to your. I just put it basic, very basic. But one thing is there, since this is a landing page, and you want whenever someone click on this get started, it first sign up for you rather than directly going here. So what you can simply do, in the custom button link, pass the sign up page link. So let me just create a sign up. Yeah, there is already one sign up page I already have. If I just simply say preview, copy that URL, you just want to paste it here. This is the thing. So if you have some configuration, you want your user to sign up first and then pay, then this is the custom button link, you need to pass it. If you do that, so if you just refresh this page, okay, so if you now click on this get started button, instead of directly going to the Stripe checkout page, this should go to the your sign up page. Yes, correct. This is the sign up page you wanted. So now we need to create one more pricing page for logged in user. That's correct. So I already have one page. Let's say pricing, I think. Yes, here we are going to paste again that pricing table. Same, do the same, just remove it. Pricing page ID, copy it, paste it here. Email, that should be the current user because now user is logged in. Email, that's it. No need to pass the custom button link because we already logged in. Now whenever someone user sign up, redirect them to pricing page. Perfect. And one more thing. We forget to set up on the pricing wall page. What happens when the user is successful? Like payment is successful. So what will happen? So for that, after checkout, you just have to if you by default to keep it, it will come back to the home page. If you that also fine. But if you want to keep to the success page, since I already have one success page, payment success page. So this is a simple success page is there. So what you can simply copy that URL and paste it inside your checkout page. And same way you can do for the cancel, but I think cancel, okay, let me just create one cancel page, failure. Yes, we already have one. Simply, okay, so after checkout, we also have simply click on next, it will save the data. Now we will sign up the user. So let me just again run it. One more thing we need to do is we need to go to our user table and create all this Stripe ID, Stripe subscription ID, Stripe subscription period, Stripe price, all these column into the user table, so that whenever any successful payment happen, it automatically create that user, or sorry, automatically update the data. So on the sign up page, if I just show you, I have manually set up it to, okay, we don't have anything, okay. So okay, let's start from the beginning. I think first, this is a pricing table we have used, and pass our custom button link so that it will redirect it to the sign up page. Whenever someone click on this button, click on it. Now we will just use any random email ID to sign up. Now it redirected to our pricing page. Perfect. Now perfect. Now this is the second pricing page where we have passed user email but have not passed the custom button link. So let's suppose if I want to subscribe to get this, it will redirect me to the checkout, and these all this team visual and email ID is automatically pulled of the current user, and just pass the theft account, theft credit card. Perfect. Now it redirect to the success page. Yes. So if you see, this is the payment success page. It is on the payment success page. Perfect. Now, if you come back to your bubble and just say refresh, now you can see we already have customer ID, subscription ID, when this period end, and let me just open it. What is the subscription period start date? What is the subscription end date? What is the subscription payment ID? All this automatically stored into your user table. I think that's the end of the how can you set up the subscription into the bubble using Pricewell. Now, second thing is customer management. That also taken care pretty easy by the Pricewell. So how you can simply do, simply say create a one page customer profile, let's say, and here drag customer portal, and in that customer portal pass the customer portal ID. ID we will get from the Pricewell. So here the customer portal, we need to create new customer portal. So we will say new customer data. Yeah, this is the next. If you want to manage that, I will say Nocode talks. You need to pass privacy link, but we simply say http google.com. But in your case, you should pass the valid, otherwise that will reject it. If you want the configure based on the requirement you have, I'm simply keeping all the default thing. Now the done part is. Now come back, simply copy this portal ID, come back here, pass that customer, and here pass the email, or you can simply pass current user Stripe ID. This is the Stripe ID we need to pass. And if you just refresh it. Just use it. Now when you click this manage subscription button automatically there, when you click on it, it will automatically redirected you to the customer management page. Here you can update your plan, upgrade plan based on the setting you have done in the Pricewell. So I think that's cover all your checkout or customer management. I hope that will help you. That will help you to minimize the time you spend in the setting of the Stripe. And if you want to use my coupon, just check in the description. Basically, that's where affiliate coupon. Nothing extra to you. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any further question, do let me know in the comment section. I will happy to answer all this question. Thanks a lot.